Just cut out the rectangular cardboard piece and throw it in the air vertically. And you can see it automatically starts spinning. Let's see how a triangle does. It also spins a little bit, not too much. This one does better. It's a long rectangular piece. See it spin automatically. As it falls down, the spin increases. This is the one that does best. It's a kind of a fish shape. And if you see at the end, it really picks up the pace and the spin really increases very fast.
So we want to find out how does the auto spinning cardboard tire work. If you see, some shapes are doing nicely. The long rectangle thing does nice, and some shapes don't do nicely. And we want to understand the physics behind it. Why does it spin automatically? So feel free to add your comments below and let me know the physics or mechanics behind this. And the second challenge is to design a better auto spinning cardboard toy that has maybe different shapes and it does interesting things, and you can decorate it and make it in a fun way that kids can play around. So feel free to add your comments.